Hi all. So this is a Viton sheet. This is exactly how it looks like. Black color. The sheet is probably 1.2 millimeter thick. So today we will be going to check for its purity. Viton is an expensive material and it is used in extreme applications where there are harsh chemicals and hot fluids. So definitely we cannot compromise with its quality. The most simple way to check for its purity is to simply test its specific gravity, because in the class of polymers, the rubber polymers of course, the Viton material is the most densest material, and any adulteration of the other rubber materials which are usually very cheap, it will simply degrade the density of this object, this Viton. Now, to test for its specific gravity, we will do a simple water dip test based on the Archimedes principle to know for its specific gravity. Now, to perform our experiment, we will be using this formula where W is the actual weight of the object, the dry weight. Delta W is the apparent loss in the weight of this object when it completely immersed in water. And this is the apparatus that we are going to need: a simple weighing machine and a jar filled with water. So now quickly let's see what is its dry weight. As you can see, the weight of our Viton sheet is 0.116 grams. Let me quickly write it down over here. 0.116. Now quickly let's put this jar of water and put our weighing machine to 0, and let's immerse our rubber sheet completely inside the water. As you can see, when fully immersed, our weighing machine is showing 0.0064, right? Keeping it aside, delta W is 0.064. So 0.116 divided by 0.064. When we will calculate, it will give us 1.812, which means the specific gravity of this sheet, this particular sheet, is 1.8 approximately. If you are getting anything from 1.81 to 2.1, that means it is Viton. So this is how we have done the water dip test for our Viton material. So ultimately we are reaching to the conclusion that this particular sheet is Viton material. And in case if you guys want to know how we are getting this formula, so I will drop down a PDF file in the description where you can easily refer about the derivation, like how we are getting this formula. Okay, thank you.